Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen want to turn on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. Reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and factory reset, erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is restart phone. Just click and hold side power button, click on this restart icon, again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So if you want to fix this problem, so please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.